assigned topic is psychopathic behavior, showing 3 types of personality disorders: antisocial, avoidant, independent personality disorder. This video is for educational purposes only.
Class, so today we're having a short group activity about respect and good behavior in school. So you may form one group of 3. So dito malaya kayong mag-share ng inyong ideas and gagawa kayo ng isang poster.
Yes, ma'am.
So, alright, I'll check your activity later. So start now.
Alex, tulungan mo kami sulit yung title ng poster natin.
Kaya nyo na yan, pre. Kaya nyo na gawin yan. Boring naman yan eh.
Alex, sulat mo na para maaga tayo makauwi.
Ako nalagawa.
Alex, that's not appropriate for a topic.
Idea ko to. Hindi mo pwedeng turuan sa kung anong gagawin ko.
This behavior shows antisocial personality disorder. A person with this disorder ignores rules, disrespects others, and doesn't feel guilty for their actions. If not managed, that can lead to serious rule breaking or crimes.
Iligas muna natin yung
Ben, bakit hindi ka tumutulong sa grupo?
Hindi naman nata nila kailangan ako dyan, ma'am. Tsaka baka magkamali lang ako.
Hindi naman yun, ma'am. Ben, pwede ikaw na lang magpuli mamaya.
Hindi, okay lang. Manonood lang ako.
This is avoidant personality disorder. The person avoids joining others because of fear of rejection or embarrassment. They want to belong but isolate themselves due to anxiety.
Okay, Carl, can you present your group activities now?
Ben, samahan mo ako. Hindi ko to kaya nang mag-isa salita eh. Oo, samahan mo na ako, bilis.
Hey, Carl.
Ben, samahan na ako.
You can do it, Carl. Naniniwala ako sa'yo.
Ben, bilis na. Samahan mo na ako dito. Oo.
This behavior shows dependent personality disorder. A person with this condition relies too much on others and fears doing things alone. They constantly need reassurance and support.